Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm a professional organizer, and my most favorite thing to organize is a closet. Has been for years, but this is what I've learned in working with people. It's not about the organization. It is about your mind and the thoughts you have about your closet. And most, bottom line is just a bunch of decisions that need to be made. And the more decisions you can make powerfully, the easier it is to get dressed. Imagine if at the end of 30 days, you have no drama about getting dressed, no frustration. You have it figured out. It's done. That is what you will have at the end of my program. Clarity, ease, confidence. It is really just the process of making decisions. Decisions that are going to serve you for the next 3 months. So I prescribe looking at your wardrobe one season at a time so that you don't get overwhelmed. I also highly encourage that you only have one season in your closet at a time. So that your brain doesn't have to worry about cashmere in the middle of summer. My name is Heidi Gammill, and if you would like to join my program, just give me a DM and we can have a consultation together. Like I said, I marry organization and life coaching together. I help you to decide so that at the end of the process, you have the skills you need to go on to the next season. Do the same thing over again. Decide powerfully. I hope that little tip helps you. And also, I'm just here to reassure you that if you haven't figured it out yet, if your closet still gives you a lot of angst and frustration, it's okay. It's just a process that oftentimes we don't have time to figure out if it's not something we're passionate about. I am coincidentally passionate about it, and I love to teach people how to do it. So I hope that you have a fantastic evening. Go decide powerfully to cross your closet off your list. Let's talk. Bye.